Malcolm X Day. Malcolm X Day. Mathematics on the track. May in August be the month where I'm trusting a recipe. Gold sweat equity while enemies heckle me. Blessed, it's the black antiquity. They was by the pool, I was recouping all the inequities. Seeding through the demons, I was gardening centrally. Natural attractions, the laws, my jeopardy. Gavel, shush, the court is in session, please. Sure, they got a weapon in their mind and the heart is a centerpiece. Dipping to my knees just to aim at the better squeeze. Red, black, green from the prisons and for the streets. Whoa, this ain't woke. This is hyperliterate drugs before corporate and poach. Fast train study, I was healing the brooch. Wait for the passion, cause I'm melanin dopeness. A deity disorder, yeah, my rhymes promote this. It's synesthesia and clinical psychosis. Emotions at the strip club, dancing to dead prayers. Rocking a white one piece and burgundy fez. No devil can't lock my dreads. We finna let the dragons out. Wu-Tang, we all in, yeah. Now if you know the energy lives, say Malcolm X. Malcolm X. And if you know to never give in, say Harriet. Harriet. They can never really box you in, say George Jackson. George Jackson. And if you know the key is within, just pump your fist like this. Come on.
Hey, that's pretty good. Politically, artistically, the whole idea about your environment must be represented in the music, in the arts. So that the art is what is happening at a particular time of a people's development or underdevelopment, you see.
And where are the women? Where are your stories? You all tell those stories. Find those stories and tell them. They don't have to be cute. If you don't do it, we will be erased.
Silent decisions, Tupac-isms, a rap in general. Facing ciphers like Afeni facing federal. My heavy eyelids adorned with emeralds and petals rolls. Playground, crack vows, show schedules and social codes. All in my skin cells, coating the blood sores on my tongue. I spit they lack of taste, but need a green apple bum. Collecting jewels and flavors, cleansing palates from toxins. My music ginger and inners, allowing up the options. I was an artist overthinking, audience famished. Will you hear my voice and catfish with the glowing talent? These agents love please, hiding keys popping. I'm trapped in my dreams like to wake is a process. Man, all I ever wanted was peace in my skin. More steel in my vertebrae, income coming in. Flow spasms, orgasm swipes unlimited. Create toast, cinnamon bread, yolk and grilling it. Culinary with the wavy spice, soaked melanin and provoked many men. Insert bar by 50 cents. You can bank on my buck that my Tony's pelican. What the hell I'm having in is an end and beginning to my life.
If you look in my life to see what I've seen.
Weapon stack, poetic, license to kill. In the name of all that didn't kill me, they can't speak for me.
If you look in my life to see what I've seen.
Highways with line lanes, exits I need change. Braving roads that ain't paid for me, they can't speak for we. No they can't, no they can't.
Everybody loves sunshine.
Where the women at? Where the youth at? Where the youth at? Hunger, stress, untimely blessings, noisy, poison, quiet, deception. You can't tell me nada. Nathan about how we can't levitate. This D'Angelo, David Blaine. Voodoo magic in my veins. Recipes I do exchange. Out of darkness, litty waves. They better check their English, kiss the rings before they try to come for person, places, things. They'll put an adjective to verbs and speed. I'm from a violence that God decreed. You know about a woman, dog. All we know is blood and pain and afterthoughts. All you know is numbing, drugs and alcohol. Trying to figure self-care, sabotage. People can't figure. Picks that's bigger when they can't use a finger to touch that trigger. Learning my philosophies from brothers who burn trees and hard knock degrees and contradicting seeds. Talk about my life, you box me in, telling me that I'm just like her, them, and him. Now I understand association, but we're made for the transcendent. Whoa, hold up, I'm getting way too close to my quota. Too many spiritual bars that untold her. When you gonna sell some sex, quote Malcolm X, get milky breast, or design a dress, or get viral press, or deteriorate from the mental stress. So you can see me and say that I look a mess and take my words out of context and transgress. I ain't pressed. Drop it. Boss. How many follow, took and swallow, pick the motto, brains is hollow. How many took the plea, regrets? James Brown on a 1 to life sentence. How many did the crime, paid your tithe, still locked down and wondering why? How many doing time for crimes against you? Now let me see you put your hands high. We gotta keep up with the stamina, cause they can't wait to call in the examiner. COs and nurses, Ravager. No views, no world star cameras. Don't be a patient cause they testing people. MK Ultra, sitting people. Don't let them give you dopamine. Back kitchen, cook vaccine, a men in black beams. No, cage deep like fornication. Red hot chili, Californication. Wings clipped by the overseer. They won't fly pelican in isolation. It's a lot of shit they won't face while they putting nightsticks in a dark place. Can you imagine that it came to this? Hell yeah, cause we knew how long it exists. Black August resistance, you know the call. Come on, that means march. Get your reps in on the yard, meditating on the energy they wanna starve. Yeah, pass the word, mind the guards, both sides of the wall. We ain't never gonna fall. Power from chaos, we gather like seance. Finna ring alarms in this big light. So tell them get the book. Tell them we got rookies in the vet. Tell them we got women and the men. We ain't tryna make amends. We just gonna slam dance guitars. Strategic and we militant. Wu-Tang chefs at the grilling pit. Using us as target practice. Karma snatching. Orangutan boomerang quick. Everybody got assignments. Looked each other in the eye and acknowledged this. Black, brown, yellow, red politics. Homies on the block, honeys on the strip. 1,000 fleas on our line's lip. Can't touch us all cause we too legit. Too much pride, too much lineage. Ambitions of a rider, we too lit.
Whoa, I'ma tell you again, not trying to make a rider from it. You just won't.
No, I'm not, no.
Or relying on a who's half committed, part law when his lives on the
never
line.
that, no.
It's on you to decide, but choosing nothing is the same thing as choosing sides.
I could only die once, and it's a bounty for the crimes. Live, organized, when you can't take no more. People tapping on the cell block wall. People tell you relax and face the facts. Pull it in your back, now you're gone. Say one thing,
do another.
people, they be lying. Cover up, got to be strong. Strong.
Marching for stolen lives, I read around. Looking and
Focus while the feds come.
They gon' come
All they got, but we ain't gon' stop. We universal on the chop.
Get your fast and then get right. Collect your click and get yourself life.
You them, where they you them? Yeah.
We already paid the price.